In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create button in Figma, Ultimate Guide. We're keeping it simple and practical, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a polished, interactive button that fits right into your design. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed in so your files and plugins are available. Working in the web version is perfectly fine. Everything we need is right there. Next, open your design. This can be a new file or an existing project. Once your canvas is visible, take a quick look at the area where the button will live so you have context for size, spacing, and style. Knowing the surrounding typography and color palette will help the button feel intentional and consistent. Now, click Actions. This is the gateway to running helpful tools inside Figma. From there, click Plugin. Plugins extend Figma's capabilities and can automate repetitive work, so using one here will save you time and keep the results consistent. In the search or prompt field, enter Interactive Button. Typing this phrase helps surface the tools made for creating button components. When you see Smart Button Generator in the results, click it. This plugin is designed to produce clean, flexible buttons that adapt to your content and layout. Click it and click Run. The plugin will open a panel or modal with options. Here, you can create a button that fits seamlessly in your design. Give your button a clear label, choose a style that matches your brand or file, and set padding that feels balanced. If the plugin offers options for corner radius, colors, or type, pick values that mirror your existing components. Keep an eye on spacing relative to nearby elements and match your grid or layout rules so the button feels anchored. Consistency is key, so align the button's font weight with your headings or body text and ensure its contrast meets accessibility guidelines. As you preview, watch how the button responds to longer or shorter text. Smart Button Generator typically adjusts width automatically, which is great for responsiveness. If you have multiple states available, like default and hover, set those now so your prototypes feel realistic. When you're satisfied, apply the button to your canvas. You've now created a flexible, reusable element without manual pixel pushing. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready for real-world use. Thanks for watching. If this helped, follow along for more straightforward Figma walkthroughs.